Okay, today we're going over an issue you might see on a 4250 or 4350 on powering up the printer. You may get an error message, 1320 jam in tray 2. If you get that on power up, there's a couple of different ways you can try to solve that. The easiest way is to pull up the paper tray. Probably just to be safe, you probably want to remove your toner as well. There's no damage to that. And what you're going to want to do is feed a piece of cardboard. I have a back of a Q-tip box. You want to feed it up between the plastic and the metal, where tray 2 normally feeds the paper through. You need something sturdy to get past the pre-alignment rollers. So with both hands, just feed it up there until you can see it coming through the top. You can pull it back out and see how you did. Put your paper tray back in, toner back in, and many times that will have taken care of it. Machine will spin up for a while, and obviously it didn't take care of it in our case. Looks like we have a stuck sensor back there. So what we're going to do is take the toner back out, toner cartridge, open tray 1, remove the envelope cover, and there's a flap. If you put some pressure on the front here, it folds up. We're going to go ahead and tape that in the up position so we can show you which sensor we're trying to get at. And to further show you where it is, we've drawn a couple of black marks on the registration guide. If you look down, straight down, there will be a sensor down there. And we're going to focus on that sensor and try to knock it loose because it's locked in the wrong position. Okay, it's tough to see, but we have our camera pointing at the actuator, the sensor flag that's stuck. What you're going to want to do is find something like a small flathead screwdriver, like I have here, and you're going to want to push it down, and when you hit that sensor, you're going to want to put pressure on the side closest to you, assuming you're standing at the front of the printer, and it should slide back into place. Just a little bit of pressure, and then let go of it. And I can see from here it's sprung back into place. You should be able to see the spring on it. And now if you put just a little bit of pressure on it, you'll see it actuate. You'll see it swing back and forth and spring back into place. That's exactly where we want it. So now to check and make sure everything's okay, we're going to put our machine back together. And see how we did. At this point, the machine should return to the ready state. Problem solved.